Baccarat overload! First time, girlies. Very daghang baccarat. Look at these. With certificate, with boxes. Some are with stickers pag yun. With stickers. Authentic, original baccarats. Baccarat. Na siya yung mga certificates with boxes. Halos di ko ganan mo hikap. Madlook yung ko ma-scratch or mabuak. Kani oda ko kayo, oh. So nice. This one also is really, really nice. Look. Baccarat yun na ha. And we have here very unique items. In my 6 years of live selling, first time. In my 6 years of the business, first time ko aning na cameo cups and saucers. I'm loving the blue one. Ganahan ta ko i-keep ni sila, girls. Wala ko ingon ani. This is first time. It's produced by Ricardo. Made in Japan yun na siya, guys. And, of course, we have Royal Alberts. So, nagbutang tag different Royal Alberts na pod from ganiha. We have Lady Carlisle. Very good condition ang mga platters. Kani very good condition din sila mga bread plates. And we have Lady Hamilton. Wapa kayo ang plato gyud. Tanawa, i-zoom ragod na ang plato. Tanawa ragod na, oh. Grabe, mura kag nagpalit from the store. No scratches, no flaw. And also the cups and saucers. Lady Hamilton. More Royal Alberts here. We have Tiffany. Royal Albert Tiffany. It's very, very pretty. Lady Carlisle, Enchantment. Provincial Flowers. This one is Purple Violet. Kanilahi niyang plate. Lady Ascot ni siya. Lady Ascot. And many more pag yun. Actually, we are still unboxing. Wala pa kita na humanog unbox. So, I hope you don't miss out tomorrow's live para din ninyo ma-miss ang mga nindot na items such as these.